뭐 타러 왔어요?
We're here at the Calico River Rapids, so we're about to get wet.
나는 좋은데 걷는 거 싫죠?
I mean, it's gonna be a hot day. It's not hot yet, but we'll see how wet we get, and we'll see if that cools us down.
오케이, 이따가 봐요.
Alright, see you guys later.
Oh my goodness! What's going
So we
on?
just got off the river rapids and we got soaked to the bone. Well, I did technically, and Sonny got a little bit soaked. But yeah, it was just two of us, and we'll show you how soaked we got. Top to bottom, all soaked. All
Yeah.
soaked.
Wow.
And then she got wet too, but it was definitely mostly me.
Yeah. 어땠어요?
It was a lot of fun. It was cool that it was just two of us on the ride. It was just on the raft rather. We're very wet. Hopefully it keeps us cool rest of the day. We'll see. On to the next one.
Yeah. 나쁘지 않았어요. 재밌었어요. 저는 길어서 좋았어요. 긴 게 좋아요. 하여튼간. 이따가 봐요.
Bye.